What's up guys, welcome back to another Madfut 24 video, and as they do every week, they have dropped the team of the weeks, so I'm going to be trying to get some of these, and do just a general pack opening as well, to try and improve my collection, maybe get a Madfut icon, and there's also a Verts SBC, and this Black Friday thing, which is very interesting because they didn't do that last year, or the year before, so that's new, I guess. Let's do the SBC first. And see, what do we need? So we need a Vert card. And then, well, Bundesliga, Leverkusen. Right, there's a solution. Nothing too difficult. And now we can collect our reward, which is great. I like how they're doing these this year. It just adds a new element to the game, which is quite nice. Just one squad, simple SBCs, which you get a card for. It's good. Great addition. Right, let's start trying to get some of these cards then. I don't have too many of these new pick things, but we will try our best with what we've got. I'll get some from the LTM market as well, that should be good. So, right, okay. Not too bad, let's take a Rojo, and then Diaz. There we go. See, I'll do this as well. These are going to be kind of annoying. Bomberty's actually good, but I won't take her. Who else? Yeah, it's going to take a while because I'm not going to get anything new. So, yeah. And then Awesome. That's good. 2 new ones. Okay. Let's see. This is really good. Harry Kane. That's great for trading as well. I need to start doing more trading actually. I've not done enough of that. I could definitely benefit from that. So I'll definitely be trying to do that soon as well. There's another new card. Let's go. Makengo. Bronze or Salah. We'll go Salah. Let's go Paredes. Another new card. Nice. Rodri. Oh, there's a new card. Never mind. I was going to go Rodri there. Donnarumma. Alright, last 4. Messi. Oh, no, I got a new card. Courtois. Awesome, and again. And lastly, Gazaniga. So they've got this pack in the market, so I'm definitely going to be getting this as well. I don't know why I got this one, but they have new picks as well. So I might get some of those. That wasn't very useful to me. But like this will be good. Take Bomberty or Salah. Let's go Bomberty. And then get Salah from a pick. I think I have enough picks. Yeah. Let's get Salah quickly. Nice. Yeah, I don't need to. Yeah, I can't use that for anything yet. I'm glad that I've got that though. If I need it. 88s are pointless to use. We'll get Coman with the 87. And Barella as well. Good. Right, I've got a couple things in here. Not much this week by the new picks. Oh no. I thought I needed something, but I didn't. That's quite annoying. Well, I'll be able to use this. Let's go Alaba here. Alright, I think that's probably everything I can get just now in terms of guaranteed new cards. I think, yeah, I'll just open some packs now, I think. And we should be good. So let's do that. So that's the progress I've made. I think that's pretty good for not that long grinding. So that will do for this video. If you enjoyed, please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.